Welcome to IGiS CAD, a versatile 2D drafting and 3D modeling CAD software. In this video, we are going to discuss about drawing file printing issue. So we select the print tool using shortcut PLOT. Next, in the print tool dialog box, we select the printer's name and print area. Next, we select the object to print. This navigates us to print page, and here we see that it's not letting us print. Instead, it is directly saving the file in .plt format. So we cancel the process and again select the print tool. And this time in the print tool dialog box, we uncheck print to file option, then select the print area and click OK. This time it processed the print operation successfully. Next, we will discuss about the issue of converting a DWG file to PDF. So we are in printing tool and we select the print area. Once we select the print area, we click on preview and it directly gives us option to save in .plt format. So we cancel the process and this time in the print tool we uncheck print to file option and click OK. So now it allows us to save in PDF. So that was all about the issues and the solutions. Thank you for watching the video.